Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add text to your background on OBS when you're using it on PC. This is easy to do. We can go to our scene. Now I just have this test scene, and then we can go to sources, and I have a URL image right here from like Google something, and it's a volcano. And I just want to add some text to it. So let's go to the plus icon, and we have text GDI plus. We can go to this and we can create new. We can name it whatever we want. Maybe it's our like YouTube channel. So we can type this in and go to it and go to OK. And we can add, select a font, whatever we want. Usually I just do like impact or something, really bold. We can go to outline, strikeout. Actually, I don't like strikeout. And then we can adjust the size. So let's just go to 72. Writing system, we can do whatever. I think this will change the characters. Oh, if you want to use English characters, do they have Tagalog in here? I think that would just be English anyways, but that would change the characters background. So we can go to OK now, and then we can type in the text. So let's go Your Six Studios. Okay, so we got that in there. And text transform. So let's see what this is. Uppercase, lowercase, start case. Got vertical. We can change the color of the text. Select it right here. Let's do, let's do a yellow or something like that. Similar. Got that in there. Gradient. Okay, so we can change the color on the bottom. That looks good with the white on the bottom. The background color. Let's see what this is. Maybe we get a white background on here. Go to OK. We just have to increase this so you can actually see the background. Then we have the alignment left, top, then we can outline it. Sometimes an outline can look cool if you got like a background there. So do we have it in there? It's on the upper left. I can't see it very well. So you can do the outline size. Sometimes it might be a little bit too thick. Let's do a black outline. Go to black. Always like that. It looks much better than white. And we should be good to add it now. So this is really small. Control Z since I moved that. Let's choose the YouTube channel over here. Then we can make this a lot bigger. Boom, Your Six Studios. So maybe have like a webcam or something in here and you want to just put your YouTube channel over it. Just like that. Let's go to the plus icon. Go to video capture source. Where is it? I always have problems finding that. Okay, video capture device. We go to add existing video capture. Should change the name of that so I know it's my camera. And it's being used in a different program right now, so my camera's not going to show up. So otherwise it would. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six